We are intrinsically drawn towards the things that offer us hope. We walk towards opportunities that promise betterment, joy, or satisfaction, even if the risk is great. Some of us will start relationships, knowing that the odds are stacked against us, to entertain the comforting idea of a companion. Others of us will engage in unhealthy behaviors, knowing that the only benefit is temporary satisfaction. If we are willing to put our happiness and well-being on the line for temporary pleasure, why don't we explore paths that lead to lasting joy? There are many long-term things that offer us the chance at happiness. Love, education, families. We strive towards these ideals with the hope that once we achieve them, we can finally tell ourselves that we are happy. But what is the driving force behind these? What is it that creates that spark, that desire, that drive? Purpose. Without a reason for getting up every day, without a reason for pushing yourself, for expanding your skill set, for making those connections, for taking those risks, we are simply achieving meaningless goals. It's like climbing the steps only to get to the top, dislike the feel of the upper floor, and then head back down towards what is comfortable. You will remain on that lower level, surrounded by what is familiar, what is comfortable, only for other opportunities to climb the stairs to come your way, which will undoubtedly lead to unhappiness about wherever you are. So you head back down and forever remain on the ground floor. We all need two different types of purposes. The first purpose is a purpose to do. This is what motivates you to go to work, to wash the dishes, to mow the yard, to pay your bills. There are some things that just have to be done, and finding that purpose may not take very much persuading, because our society has ingrained in us that these are the things that need to be done, simply because that's the way it's always been. The second is a purpose to be. This is what drives you to better yourself. Learning a new skill, getting an education, seeking spirituality, finding love. With this purpose, we push ourselves to be better than we were. We are constantly trying to improve ourselves and to find peace and satisfaction in ways that may not have immediate concrete or financial rewards. We do these things because deep within us, we know that it is what we have to do to find peace. All of us have both purposes, which we are able to tap into depending on the circumstance we find ourselves in. If you had to focus on one, only one motivating force to propel you forward, put your effort into bettering yourself by means of internal reflection and exploration. We cannot become who we are meant to be if we do not know who we are in this moment. So climb those stairs, take the risk, find the purpose to keep going, And when you reach the top, know that with every step you took, you had the opportunity to turn back and return to what is familiar. But you fought for what you needed to become. And now you can look back on your journey and be grateful for every step.